In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own crypto exchange. I'll be using HollaEx Kit. This is an open source white label solution, meaning you can rebrand it and have your own coins and invite your own users. Once you've installed HollaEx Kit, it'll look something like this. You can always visit HollaEx.com to get a preview of what the kit looks like. It has active markets. You'll be able to select from these coins to activate on your own exchange or even add your very own coin. You have all the features from a modern crypto exchange like charts, order books, and order entry. So let's get started. You'd need to create an account first. So let's get that done. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to log in. I've already got an account, so let's log straight into that. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to this single page right here, and it's straightforward. Just click the big blue button called Create Exchange, and you'll be taken to this 5-step process. Each one of these steps you'll be able to change at a later date. So let's get started. I'm going to call our exchange Swap. You can upload a logo right now. I'm going to leave it for now. In step 3, you'll be able to add the assets that you want active on your exchange. There's a pre-selected assets that are already built into the software. You can select from them and add them. Once you've added your coins, these will be active wallets on your exchange that will allow for deposits and withdrawals. You can even add brand new coins. This could be a coin that you've created or a fiat currency that's local to your country. But I'm going to cover this at a later video. So for now, let's go back and click Next. In step 4, you're dealing with trading pairs, or in other words to say this is markets. So these markets will have activity once you've launched your exchange. And depending on what you've added in the previous step, you'll have a pre-selected markets that you can activate. So Bitcoin Cash, USDT, if you add that, it'll be active on your exchange, and it will also have liquidity. Keep in mind you can create brand new pairs, but again, that will be covered in another video. So I'm happy with this. Let's click Next. And in the last step, we're covering how your exchange will be hosted. Are you going to self-host it? In that case, it will be a DIY exchange. This will be covered in a different video. So I'm going to go back right here. I'm going to be going with a basic cloud solution, meaning that you'll be outsourcing the server to bitHolla. So let's go, click basic and confirm that. Tech guy Dan here is just letting us know that everything's in order and that an email will be sent to you with some further instructions. We can just click OK. And now you're taken to your exchange dashboard. You can see here we've got a pending bill, and this has to do with the hosting, but we can come back to this later. Let's just check the hosting. As mentioned, we've already selected cloud. You can always go back and do a DIY and deploy it yourself on your own computer, but we'll cover that in another video. Let's click it back to cloud, and you'll notice this big blue button saying go live. This is what you want to aim for. So once you click this, it will tell you the steps that you need to take to go live. So first, you need to sort out your domain. And second, you need to pay for the hosting bill. So let's first figure out this domain. click View, click Configure here, and select what kind of domain solution we're going to go with. In this, as we have not paid for the cloud service, you can't add your custom domain right here, but in higher cloud solution plans, you'll be able to unlock this feature. Let's just go with the built-in domain for now. Click Confirm, and you'll notice that there'll be an added bitholla.cloud to your domain, plus the name at the front here. So let's say click Connect, and you'll see here there's a green check mark that it's all locked in, telling us it's all good. And here it's just telling us that we got to address the bill. So let's get to it. And once we're at the billing page, click Pay. And you have a selection here to select from. You can go with a featured out product, from the product list here, or you can go with just the basic and switch it to monthly, which is what we'll do. So I'm going to click Next here, and you'll be taken to the method page. As you can see here, there's 3 options. You can go with PayPal, a bank wire, or a cryptocurrency payment. So I'm going to go with crypto payment for now. Click Next and select the currency I want to pay with. I'm going to go with XHT. That is the native token of the HollaEx ecosystem. It's got a 10% discount, which is great. Click Next, and you'll be taken to this payment page where you can either transfer the payment directly to this address, or you can select Pay from Wallet. This just means it will pay from a wallet that's built in. You can see right here there's Account Wallet. I've already got XHT in this wallet, and it says here the required amount. So I've got enough XHT to pay for this right now. So let's go and click this. After the payment's complete, it will let you know that you've been sent these details. You can keep that for your record. I'm going to click OK here. And let's refresh the page. And you can see it's paid now. So now that we've paid for our cloud solution, this just means we're ready to put the Exchange software on a machine in the cloud. So let's go back to hosting and click Go Live. You can see now that we can go live whenever we want. It takes approximately 30 minutes. And once we click this button, the deployment will begin. So let's click it. So as you can see here, we're building our Exchange. And as I mentioned, it will take about 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can just click Go to Events here, and you'll be taken to the Events tab. And you can see we're in the queue right now. This status will change and let you know how things are going with your Exchange. The next step, it will say Processing, and you can come back in a couple of minutes. Be sure to press Refresh here and check back periodically. So I'm going to come back in this video once this is done and take it from there. Okay, so we're back now. Be sure to refresh the events page, and after the status here has changed to success, that just means your setup is complete and that we can visit the Exchange now. You can see here that the system is connected and everything's up to date. Again, be sure to refresh the page to make sure that you're seeing everything updated. Note that the cloud switch here is locked because now that everything is live, you can't switch back to DIY anymore. If you want to do that though, just simply contact us. But let's go straight to the Exchange. So here is the Exchange domain. You can copy this and let's visit the web page. Once it loads up, you'll be taken to this Exchange operator admin account creation page. You'll only see this once. After you've created your account, this page will no longer be available. So let's create the administrator account. Note this account is not the same as the account that you use here. So be sure to create a brand new account here. Let's call it Exchange Swap and add the password. Be sure to remember this password because there's no recovery. So after you've retyped the password, just make sure that this is a password that you will remember. And after clicking proceed, it says here account was created and you're taken to this admin login. So let's log in to Exchange Swap. And once you log in, you'll be taken to the final setup. Again, this is a page that you only see once, and a lot of these things can be adjusted later. So let's just confirm everything here, that we want English and the time zone. You can set this up later. This is 2FA. I'm just going to skip this. And we can set the native currency. So if you've got a local currency that you prefer, say like Euro or Japanese yen, and you've added that to Exchange, you could have this set. And a lot of the assets will be priced in this native currency. But I'm going to go with USD Tether for now. And you can see these are all the assets we added in the dashboard here. Bitcoin Cash was added, and you can see we even added the Bitcoin Cash USDT market. So let's click proceed, and you'll be able to activate certain features here. Maybe you just want the pro trading or the quick trade. For upgraded accounts, you can even have a chat system. But let's just go with the default. So let's click proceed. These things can be set up later. This is just settings for managing all the emails that are connected to your exchange. Things like confirmation emails and sign-ups that happen on your exchange. But let's just skip this for now and confirm the details here. Again, this can be all set up later. And once you've confirmed it, the final setup is just getting done. You can see all the features here. There's a trade matching engine, there's built-in liquidity, wallets, there's a quick trade, brokerage system, pro trading interface, and all the expected stuff you expect from the exchange. So let's enter your exchange for the first time, and voila. You can see here the assets that we added, the wallet, the deposits and withdrawals. Some of these will have to be generated for the first time. And when a user logs in, they'll pretty much have the same interface as this. So let's check the markets. So let's refresh the page, go to Pro Trade, click Bitcoin, and you have your markets with full order books, order entry, and the lot. So in the next video, I'm going to be covering the operator controls and the editing features, and also the console.